Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Joe. I'm an adult librarian here at the library, but that doesn't mean I'm not allowed to love picture books too. So, one of my favorite picture books when winter comes is Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson. It's about a bear who's asleep and all his animal friends are having a party around him and they want to see if he's going to wake up and join them. I really like this book because when winter comes, we all start feeling like cozy and we want to stay in bed a little longer and just be comfortable and not go outside when it's freezing. So this book kind of just makes me want to, drink hot chocolate and snore on like Bear. So let's get started. So as I said, it's called Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson. And there's the very first page, and you can see it's all snowy and cold outside, and you just want to snuggle up. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. You see Bear all cuddly and asleep? The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. Whoop! And Mr. Joe almost drops the book. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. Does everyone know what a hare is? Hare is a bunny. So, I didn't know that until later in life, so that's why I ask. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Again, I prefer hot chocolate, but if they want tea, that's fine. Mouse sips, wee slurps, Hare burps, big burps. But the bear snores on. Is Bear ever gonna wake up? A badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew-chomp crunch, but the bear snores on. If I was in the cave, I'd want some chocolate chip cookies too, but... A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. Coming quite a party in there. A lot of animals and the bear's just sleeping. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare strokes the fire, mouse seasons stew, then a small pepper fleck makes the bear... Achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. Is he gonna wake up? And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls, bear roars and he rumbles, bear jumps and he stomps, bear growls and grumbles. You stuck in my lair and you've had all the fun, but me, I was sleeping and I had none. And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Oh no, bear's kind of sad because he missed the party. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see? We can pop more corn, we can brew more tea. Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on, because they were already up all day, right? And bear, then he kind of woke up in the end, so he's awake now. But he finally woke up and got to join the party. So, I hope you all enjoy that book as much as I did. And the next time there's a snowy, blustery day, you could watch me read this book, or you could check it out from the library and take it home and read it there and make whatever snacks you want and not snore on, but have fun. So happy winter, everybody. Again, my name's Mr. Joe, and I loved reading to you today.